Henry has told your notebooks.
Maybe some.
Yes, people who are surprised. Put them book in your dogman.
I'm so excited.
I think so you should to go to GameStop. It's the first day of GameStop. School is over.
That would make.
School is over.
I love this target list of my friends.
Put them book in your dogman right now.
Hey, just checking out my first one.
Alright, put everything back to ylioppilas. Yes, come on to the moon. Henry, I'm moon, come on. Victor, find out right now, put it in your mind, I just no have time.
I'm not clicking.
Come on, quit messing around now, come on, pick this one up, let's get ready for GameStop. Henry, we got less than 10 minutes. Now come on, Henry, I'm gonna make ease. I'm gonna make ease. School is over.
Is there Dogman?
I'm so dogman and I'm the best. That is Happy Piggy. Piggy uses that. Henry, the best way. Henry, we need more have time now, come on. Henry, and let's go get GameStop. Gumball, don't be computer on Henry, GameStop surprise. Now come on. Be your own. Gumball, grab your game. Grab your game. Now, come on, we need more have time. Gumball, we need, come on, we need more have time. We guys, we need more have time together. We got to GameStop. We got look. We got to GameStop now, come on. Put that this moon, Henry. We go listen. Gumball, come on. Start it. GameStop now.
This was Start Sugar Rush.
Stand up. Gumball, from. Put those from. Now put them from right now. I have it. I have get you loaded up now, come on. I have got to take your guys to GameStop now, come on. Put that this moon and let go. We got like less than 50 minutes. Load it up. Now come on. Gumball, grab your game on the branch. Henry, from, come on. From. Put them in the car. You can put your from on in the car, just flow everything in your game. We need more have time. For everything in your game we love need more have time. Okay, forget about the crowns, just flow everything in there, you can get target later. Henry, come on, we need more have time. Gumball, come on. Gumball, okay car, come on, oh, you ready to go? Grab your phone, we're going to put them in the car, we need more have time. Gumball, go get. Put your shoe. Get in the car. Get in the car. Come on. Come on, Gumball, let go.